Hey, what's up guys? I'm now here in Anilao, Batangas. I'm in Ashley Dive and Leisure Resort. So I just finished my open water training for my koi cage. And in this video, I will be unboxing my new dive computer. Yeah! So finally, I decided on what dive computer to get. And if you guys remember, last year, my old dive computer, the Suunto D9, already um, retired. So, so it took me a year to decide what to get, and finally, I got one yesterday, courtesy of my wife. She gifted me the Shearwater Peregrine. Okay. So in this video, I will be unboxing this and let's see what's inside the box. Really nice box. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button. And please click like if you like this video. Okay, so let's check what's in the box. So the Peregrine comes with this very nice case. It's made in Canada. So we'll have some sign here, and here you'll notice that the screen protector is already pre-installed in the dive computer, so that's a nice add-on, so to protect that screen when you're diving. Very nice. So there's the unit itself. Shearwater Peregrine. So let's take this out. So before we go to the unit, let's see what's in the box. So we have, okay, this is a spare screen protector. So we have one already pre-installed in the unit. Then it comes also with some stickers. Yes, I love stickers. I collect different diving stickers or diving related stickers. And then it also comes with a silicone strap. So it's not yet installed. Okay, so I'll show you why. Okay, so you got this one, and then also comes with charging cable, and some quality checklist here. So there, tested by Sow and inspected by Tony. Okay, cheers Tony, thanks for inspecting the item. So the content, it has a dive computer, you got your wireless charging pad, you got a strap, you got a 1.2 meter shock cord, you got a spare screen protector, you got lug screws, you got screwdriver, then you got your guide, your use cable, and the stickers, and it's checked already for diving and charging test. So you can find the manual here, so you can scan the QR code if you want to read the complete manual of this dive computer. Alright, let's put that there. And let's check the unit. So here, right, this is the Shearwater Peregrine. Very nice packaging. And then it has this cover here. So this is how the interface will look like. So you have your depth, you have your dive time, you have your safety stop, your no decompression limit bar there, and this counts how much time you have remaining. It's your no decompression limit. Here it will tell you the type of gas you're using, whether air or enriched air. You got your max depth, temperature, and the actual time. Okay, so let's remove this one and see how it looks. So you open it by pressing the two buttons here. There you go. So one thing I like about this computer is that the numbers are big and very easy to read while down there, especially for those young people there who are about my age, and you need the assistance of reading glasses to read the numbers. So this is very, very good because it's very easy to read. And the colors are customizable. You can change the colors of the font and the screen and how you want it to look based on your taste, and which will look better or clearer for you while underwater. So this is the back end. So you will see there, this is where the strap connects. So here you have two options. So you have the silicone straps, which can be installed. It comes with the screws here, right? It comes also with screwdrivers. Wow, complete. You don't need to get other tools. Everything is here, and you can strap it here. And then you also have another option, which is the bungee cord. So you can use this and put it here. So it depends on whether you want the bungee cord or the strap when you go diving. So for me, I prefer the bungee cord and put it here. It's easy to put it on and off. Okay. Just for reference, you can see the size. This is my watch, just for reference. Okay. And then it also comes with a charging pad here. See? So if you plug in this is a micro USB cable. You plug it down here, and you can use your regular cell phone power brick to charge this. So actually this can also charge your wireless charging cell phone, or if you already have a wireless charger, you can use the existing wireless charger to charge this, right? So based from my experience of my friends using this, a single charge can last you about 40 dives. So it's a long time before you need to charge your dive. So that will be probably, for a average diver, it will take about 9 to 10 weekends before you need to charge the computer again. All right, so there you go. So that's everything that comes in the box. I will do another review on this one, and we'll do an actual dive, so we can see the different features of the dive computer. But before we end, let me just go quickly on the basic features of this dive computer. Okay, based from the manual I downloaded from the internet, so some of the basic features that you have in this dive computer is it's rated up to 120 meters. So you have air, single gas nitrox, or multi-gas nitrox mode. So you can actually use this for decompression dives up to 3 tanks or 3 different gas during the dive. So it has no lockout for violating deco stop. So unlike some other computer, once you violate the deco stop, it will automatically lock your computer and will prevent you from using the computers for further dives. But for this case, it will not lock you out. Got CNS tracking, and it has no decompression limit planner. So this is very useful if you want to plan your decompression dives and plan out what gas to bring and when to switch them and how much gas you need for each stages. Okay. It has vibration alerts, so it can alert you whenever you reach let's say a safety stop, or you are approaching, or warns you when you're approaching a warning or a limit, for example, or you're going to violate your no decompression limit, or you're about to go into a decompression dive. So it will vibrate. It has programmable depth sampling rates. It has Bluetooth dive log uploading to Shearwater Cloud. So later on I will download the app, but based from what I read in the manual, okay, let me go down there quickly. Using the app will allow you to actually customize the, well, aside from you downloading your dives into a logbook, you can actually customize it to change the number of the log dive so that it will continue from your old logs. Let's say if you have an old computer which already logged 500 dives and you're going to switch here, you can actually configure that so that the first dive using this computer will start at 500. So it will keep track and will continue reading the load, logging your dives, continuing from the previous dive computer. And then also from here, from using the app, you can upload or download your firmware. Okay, and here you can also customize the startup image. Okay, so whenever the computer starts up, you can change it to your name or to logo, so you have a startup text. So in the startup text, you can put your name, your phone number, so in case you lose your computer and somebody turns it on, they will know who owns it and where to contact you, which is a very, very nice feature that I really like. Okay, so there you go, guys. The Shearwater Peregrine dive computer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the like button. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Okay guys, till next time, bye.